channel. This is MamaG and welcome to my summer tops. So today's video, guys, I'm gonna share to you on how to style crop top. Last time I bought a crop top, I was so amazed because it's so nice and you can use it in so many ways, and that's why I decided to vlog it, guys, and show you on how I'm gonna use it. And I will show you guys what I'm talking about. I love the color. It's really summer, you know, like yellow, green, pink. Oh, I'm so in love with this crop top. Okay, so I bought this one in Pimkie. Okay, so the brand is Pimkie, and it was the price is 19 euro. Okay, 20 euro, 19.99, and it's 50%, and so cool. It's 50%. I only bought 10 euro. Okay, so yeah, and now I'm gonna show you guys on how I will style this one. It's look simple, but you will see, guys, how gorgeous is it. I tell you. Okay, so are you guys ready? Let's start. Wow, look at this. So you can wear it like this, guys. It's just a style, like you have a waist. You can let like this. Okay. So this is the style number 1. Okay, and then the style number 2 is this one. Okay, so you have nice cute ribbon. Okay, and then next you can put it here. You can tie behind as well. It's so cute, and then we can also do like this. This time number 4. So nice, I love it. So next, guys, you can also pull the tube down. You see that? So here is feet, guys. Okay. It looks nice. Yeah. And also you can do the ribbon in front. So here is feet, and you showing your boobs here, so it's a little bit liberated. Okay, so you want to look more liberated, this is the style for you. And guys, look at this. So this is the Misseskisses bra. Okay, this bra is on my vlog, so I just put in my description box if you are interested, so you guys will see the difference. So you see this in front. So as you can see, guys, okay, I'm gonna put this one. Oh my god. They are really like real. Oh. Misseskisses, really the best. Thank you, Misseskisses. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my description box, guys, if you are interested with this bra, and it's really helpful, especially if you are a mom, if you are experiencing sagging boobs or they are in separate way. Help you to push your boobs, guys, and will give you a nice gorgeous cleavage. So what do you guys think about this bra? I'm sure you are amazed. Me too, I'm still amazed. This is really magic. You guys can take out also this one if you don't like it. If you prepare to show your abs, your skin, just take out this one and stay with this. I'm gonna do it. So yeah, it's more like, oh my god, ah yeah, you have to stay this one because it will show the wire. Put this one. So this is really helpful. But if you don't have that kind of dress, you can take out this one, no problem.